Want to customize your Shopify testimonial section like a pro? In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to edit the liquid code and tweak various elements such as fonts, sizes, colors, scrolling speed, and more. Whether you want to enhance the design, improve readability, or make your testimonials more engaging, this guide will walk you through every detail. To get started, access your Shopify theme's liquid code section by heading to your Shopify dashboard. Navigate to Online Store, click on Themes, then select Actions followed by Edit Code. This will open the themes backend where you can modify different sections of your store. Once inside the code editor, use the search bar to find the specific testimonial section you want to edit. For example, if your section is named RI Testimonial number 6, type it in, and it will bring up the relevant file, ensuring you're working on the correct section. Now, let's begin customizing. You can start by modifying the heading of the testimonial section. Add a heading of your choice, adjust the font, and select a font family that aligns with your store's branding. The font size can be customized separately for desktop and mobile views, ensuring a responsive and visually appealing design. You can also adjust the line height and padding for better readability and proper spacing between elements. Next, refine the testimonial text and colors. The primary text color can be changed to match your theme, while the accent text color can be adjusted to create contrast. If your testimonial section includes motion effects, you can customize the scrolling speed for both desktop and mobile. Adjust the scrolling gap, enable or disable reverse scrolling, and modify the margin settings to control how testimonials appear. For an interactive experience, you can activate the Pause on Hover feature, which stops the scrolling when a customer hovers over a testimonial. Moving on to the testimonial card design, you can adjust the width of the cards to ensure they fit within your layout. Padding settings allow you to refine the spacing, and you can make these adjustments separately for desktop and mobile views. If you prefer a more rounded look, you can modify the roundness of the testimonial cards. The border thickness can also be changed to add a well-defined look to each testimonial. Customizing the author's details is another important aspect. You can modify the author's image, adjusting the width and roundness for a clean appearance. The author's name and job title can be styled with custom fonts, preferred font families, and different font sizes for desktop and mobile views. You also have control over line height and margin spacing to create a well-balanced layout. For testimonials that include a star rating, you can select the type of star icon you prefer. Adjust the star size separately for desktop and mobile and modify the margin settings to position them perfectly. If your section includes a pulse icon, you can also resize it for better visibility. Adding a call to action button to your testimonials makes them more engaging. You can customize the button label, link it to a relevant page, and choose a font that aligns with your design. The font size, padding, and button roundness can all be adjusted to match your branding. The border thickness and margin settings ensure that the button blends seamlessly with the rest of the section. Additionally, you can modify the button's text color, hover effect, background color, and border color to enhance interaction. When working on spacing and layout, you can adjust the margin on both sides and ensure proper alignment on mobile views. The card background color can be changed to match your preferred theme, and the border color can be modified to enhance its overall appeal. You also have control over the author's name color, testimonial text color, and star rating colors, ensuring design consistency across all elements. If you prefer a gradient effect, you can choose a section background gradient color. Adjusting the section's border thickness and roundness allows you to create a polished look that complements the rest of your store's design. Additionally, you can modify the padding inside the section to fine-tune the spacing of the testimonials. These adjustments ensure a well-structured, responsive layout that looks great on all devices. To finalize the design, you can enable or disable the full width option based on your preference. The section content width can also be adjusted to maintain proper layout proportions. If you want a more prominent or subtle section border, you can modify its thickness accordingly. With these customizations, your testimonial section will not only look visually appealing but will also help build customer trust and engagement. By following these steps, you can create a testimonial section that stands out, aligns with your store's branding, and improves the user experience. Now, go ahead and start customizing your Shopify testimonial section to make it uniquely yours.